Hi guys, in this video I will discuss a tutorial, how to change the app package name on an Android phone. So let's get started. First you need an app called APK Editor Pro. You can get it in the comments below. Once downloaded, extract the zip file first, then install the app on your phone. Open the app. Here, select the installed app menu if you want to change the package name of the app that is already installed on your phone. Or select the APK file menu to change the package name of the app on the APK file before installing it. Next, select the Common Edit option. Then, you can rename the app first, and then rename the package. Check the two boxes below. Change the install location to default. Tap Save. Then wait for the process to take place. And voila! You have successfully changed the app package name on your Android phone. Now you can directly install the app you edited if you want. That's all for this video. Hopefully it's useful and thank you for watching.